Yo, what is up guys? So in today's video we got the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro. So Xiaomi has been very popular with their smart bands. I think these are the most sold on the market. This is the newest and the best version of it, which is the 9 Pro. Apparently the screen is bigger than usual. The biggest selling point is the GPS, inbuilt GPS. You can take this band for a run without your phone, which is very convenient, and this will track your route and your activity. I will compare it as well to my daily driver, which is the Samsung Fit 3, used and abused, as you can see how it looks like. So let's get it started over here. And as well, the battery is much bigger on this band, and apparently it lasts up to 14 days in standard use. So let's get it open. Alrighty, what do we got over here? That's the band itself. We got a little pull tab. So this is how it looks like right off the bat. Let's take the cable out. We'll check out how does it attach to the band itself. And let's take out this little piece. So as you can see, this is the rose gold version, as you can see over here. And I paid about 70 USD for this one. So the rest is pretty standard. And as well, the vibrations are apparently better on this one. High quality metal frame, 60 Hz AMOLED display with 1200 nits, which is very, very bright. Will be enough for a sunny, bright day. Instructions, we don't need those. Let's take out band itself. So this is how it looks like. Let's compare it. It's pretty similar, just slightly bigger than the Samsung Fit. So let's open it up. Okay, feels a little bit heavier even without a band. The sensors at least look more complex. Let's try to get it attached. Okay, pretty similar to the Samsung one, if not the same, basically. And I would say, I think that I like the material on Samsung better, but over and over it's very similar. Alright, how do I turn it on? That's interesting. Alright, so we can choose the proper language right now. And I will need to download in order to get it set up. So give me a second. Alright, I got it all set up. And it actually is way bigger. At the first glance, I kind of missed the button that you have on the Samsung one, but honestly, it's very intuitive. You just swipe left, right, up and down. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Runs pretty smooth. Let's check out the compass. Yeah, it's quite big if you see the comparison right now. It's maybe a little closer to a smartwatch, I guess. Of course, it's bigger to house the battery and the GPS sensor. So if that's something for you, I guess it's a good choice. And the setup is pretty easy as well. So this was a fast startup video over here. Initial impressions and unboxing on this Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro. Let me know if you are using this band or if you are willing to buy one of those. Bye bye. As well, the resolution is much better on the Xiaomi.